On October 1st, OpenAI introduced fine tuning, which adheres to the OpenAI's models having vision, giving them images and allowing them to literally detect things in pictures. Now, being able to fine tune models based on images is extremely huge. The number of use cases are endless. This is the leading food delivery and ride share company. Turns street level imagery collected from their drivers into mapping data using the power of Grab Maps, a mapping service enabling all of their Southeast Asia operations. Using vision fine tuning with only 100 examples, Grab taught GPT-4o to correctly localize traffic signs and count lane dividers to refine their mapping data. As a result, Grab was able to improve lane count accuracy by 20% and speed limit sign localization by 13% over a base GPT-4o model, enabling them to better automate their mapping operations from a previously manual process. That says 20 miles per hour. Automat improves success rate of desktop bots, automating business processes. Okay, so Automat, an enterprise automation company, builds desktop and web agents that process documents and take UI-based actions to automate business processes with vision fine-tuning and a data set of screenshots. Automat trained GPT-4o to locate UI elements on a screen given a natural language description, improving the success rate of their really insane. So Coframe is building an AI growth engineering assistant that helps businesses continually create and test variations of their website and UIs to optimize business metrics. A key part of this task is autonomously generating new branded sections of a website based on the rest of the website. Coframe tasked GPT-4o with generating code for the next section of a website based on images and existing code. By fine-tuning GPT-4o with images and code, they improve the model's ability to generate websites and consistent visual style and correct layout by 26% compared to the base GPT-4o model. And here you see sort of an example. It immediately generates the next section. It's beautiful. It's really cool. Okay, so this was with ChatGPT 4o, the base model, and this was utilizing the fine-tuning. Okay, so here's some pricing. Vision fine-tuning capabilities are available today for all developers on paid usage tiers. These capabilities are supported on the latest GPT-4o model snapshot, GPT-4o 2024-0806. Developers can extend existing fine-tuning training data for images using the same exact format as our chat endpoints. We're offering 1 million training tokens per day for free through October 31st, 2024 to fine-tune GPT-4o with images. After October 31st, 2024, GPT-4o fine-tuning training will cost $25 per 1 million tokens, and inference will cost $3.75 per 1 million input tokens and $15 per 1 million output tokens. Image inputs are first tokenized based on image size and then priced at the same per token rate as text inputs. More details will be found on the API pricing page. So that's how they're going to get it in our wallets. There you see it, folks. To get started, visit the fine-tuning dashboard, click Create, and select GPT-4o 2024-0806 and the base model dropdown. To learn how to fine-tune 4o with images, visit our docs. So we'll go ahead and go over both of those. Stay tuned for our next video as we go ahead and continue diving deeper into fine-tuning with images.